Hey folks, still cold out there. Temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s across the area. We're talking low 40s, right at 40 degrees. So not exactly warming up any place. 40 at the beach, 39 in Brownsville. Cool spots 37 in Rio Grande City. And it still feels like it's a little colder than that. The wind chill, though, starting to not be a factor much anymore as the wind starts to slowly subside. Overnight tonight, this is where we bottom out. 35 to 40 across the region. Coldest in Weslaco, Raymondville, back in Rio Grande City. About 40 at the beach. And then tomorrow, a little warmer by maybe 10 degrees on what it was this afternoon, but that's still really chilly, still well below normal. The north winds continue tomorrow about 10 to 20 miles an hour, and the clouds continue to stick around as well. The normal high is 81, nowhere close to that the next 3 days. Tomorrow's 48, and again, most of the day today was spent in the 30s. So you're looking at, again, 10 degrees warmer than it was this afternoon, but still very chilly. And then 60, 64 for Thursday and Friday. Look at the records up around 90, 91. Most of the rain this evening is to the north of us. A lot of that was right on top of us. In the next half hour, we'll look at where the rain fell today and how much rain fell today. But in the meantime, you look at the Doppler network over the valley right now, not much left. Everything just to our north, and Future Track says there won't be much tonight. Here's 10 o'clock or so. The clouds are still thick. They're not going anywhere. And overnight, they stay with us. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. Still overcast. And the suggestion is there'll be moisture beginning to move in from the west once again. I think the best chance for that will be late in the day. But boy, this model certainly says by 10 a.m. we're already seeing light showers breaking out in the western half of the valley. And by late afternoon, you see light stuff across a lot of the region. But the better chance then comes tomorrow night when we get some more significant rain. Notice the colors go from this real light green, which is light stuff, to darker green, yellow, even some orange in there by overnight tomorrow night. That's midnight or so tomorrow night. So your best chance of rain is then as this upper air storm system moves across. So we go 30% day, 70% tomorrow night, lingering into early morning on Thursday, and then tapering off Thursday night. And by Friday, the rain should be out of here. So still a good shot at rain late in the day tomorrow, courtesy of an upper level low that's going to move across. The rest of Texas, not that much colder than we are now. We've kind of equalized. 44 in Dalhart, actually warmer than the valley. 35 in Dallas and Longview, 38 in Austin, 41 in San Antonio. They had sunshine in Dalhart. That's how they warmed back to 44, where we saw obviously none of that today. And you do see some pinks mixed in there. There was a little bit of sleet in parts of the valley today. There was a little tiny layer of temperatures below freezing, about 2,000 feet up. So a raindrop falls through that, freezes, and then makes it to the ground in the above freezing temperatures. There were a few of those. Not a lot, but a lot of you got to see at least a little bit of sleet. So the cold temperatures will continue. The front down to the south, it's no longer an issue. But what is going to happen is an upper level storm is going to work its way across Texas by Thursday, and it's going to grab this front and shove it on down through here. So once that happens, the drier air builds in for late Thursday into Friday, even into Saturday. So it looks like it's pretty nice weather once we get that next front through here, but that's going to take a little time. And that upper disturbance comes across tomorrow night, so that's probably our best chance for rain. If you're traveling tomorrow, take a look at the readings. 30s across the entire state first thing in the morning. Biggest rain still off to the west of us, but then late tomorrow the showers move into the region. Temperatures warm a little bit, but because they have sunshine in the north, they'll be a little bit warmer than we are in the south, where we still see clouds and showers. At the coast, winds out of the north about 5 to 15, diminishing to that. A moderate chop, the UV drops to low, the bay temperature 71, the surf at 68, and a small craft advisory remains in effect until 6 o'clock in the morning. Still some minor coastal flooding. So for tonight, about 35 for a low, cloudy, cool, with a couple of light showers overnight tonight, but not a steady rain like last night. But then tomorrow, still cloudy and cold, only 48 for a high. A couple of places might touch 50, but scattered afternoon showers turn into a period of rain possible tomorrow night once again. Rain tapers off early Thursday, then maybe some late day sunshine. Friday looks partly sunny. The weekend looks pretty nice, although we can't rule out a stray shower on Sunday. But look at that, we're right back into shorts and flip-flops weather by Sunday, 78 degrees. Next week looks pretty mild as well. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.